Welcome to Palawan, often hailed as the best island in the world. Located in the Mimaropa region, this long narrow archipelago stretches between Mindoro and Borneo, acting as a natural barrier and a cradle of biodiversity. So Palawan is officially designated as the Philippines' last ecological frontier. It holds the largest land area among Philippine provinces, featuring vast, untouched rainforests, majestic mountain ranges, and pristine coastlines. So next is Puerto Princesa City. Aerial and city views of Puerto Princesa with houses, streets, and greenery, showing part of the urban area of this coastal capital. The journey begins in Puerto Princesa, the capital city, as a highly urbanized city independent of the province. It acts as the main gateway for travelers, offering a blend of modern amenities and natural wonders. So next is the Underground River Entryway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park is a marvel of nature. It features an 8-kilometer underground river that flows directly into the sea. So next is inside the cave, which is stalactites. Inside, visitors are treated to spectacular displays of stalactites and stalagmites shaped over millions of years. It is recognized as one of the most longest and most accessible underground rivers in the world. So next is Palawan Peacock Pisan. The Palawan Peacock Pisan is also a symbol of Palawan's biodiversity and is considered vulnerable due to habitat loss and other threats. So next is El Nido, Bukit by Limestone. Traveling north, we reach El Nido, famous for its jagged limestone quartz cliffs that rise dramatically from turquoise waters. It is the premier destination for islands hopping and diving. So next is Big Lagoon, kayaking. The Big Lagoon in El Nido is an iconic tranquil spot where visitors can kayak through limestone walls. The water is breathtakingly clear, showcasing a vibrant marine ecosystem beneath. So next is a small lagoon, which is hidden gem. Accessible only through a small crevice, the small lagoon is hidden. Serene pool surrounded by karst formation is perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and experiencing complete tranquility. So next is Secret Lagoon, mystical experience. Hidden behind towering limestone cliffs, the Secret Lagoon offers a mystical experience. Entering this area feels like stepping into a different world surrounded by towering walls of rock. So next is Coron Islands, which is ang Kayangan Lake. In northern Palawan, Coron offers equally stunning scenery. Kayangan Lake, often called the cleanest lake in the Philippines, is surrounded by dramatic limestone cliffs and offers a challenging scenic hike. Next is Barracuda Lake. Known for its unique sharp temperature changes, Barracuda Lake is a favorite spot for divers. The underwater rock formations there are just impressive as those on the surface. Next is Twin Lagoon. Twin Lagoon offers a unique experience where warm seawater meets cool fresh water separated by a narrow passage under a limestone cliff. It is a stunning display of a natural contrast. Next is a Tubaha Reef Marine Sanctuary. Situated in the middle of the Sulu Sea, Tubaha Reef is another UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a premier diving destination boasting incredible coral diversity, shark, and marine life. Next is indigenous culture. Palawan is home to indigenous groups including the Tagbanwa and Palawan people. people. These communities have protected the island's natural resources for generations, meaning a deep spiritual connection to the land. Next is Kalawit Safari. A unique feature of Palawan is the Kalawit Islands Wildlife Sanctuary established in the 1970s. It houses African animals such as giraffes and zebras that roam freely alongside local endangered species. So next is local cuisine. A visit to Palawan is complete without trying its local cuisine. Tamilok, a woodworm delicacy found in mangroves, is a mode try for adventurous eaters, often served raw with vinegar. So next is sustainable tourism. With increasing popularity, Palawan focuses heavily on sustainable tourism. Initiatives are in place to ensure that the beauty of the islands is preserved for future generations, limiting visitors' impact in areas like Almudo. So the last frontier. The spirit of Palawan is about slowing down and connecting with nature. It is a place to escape the noise of the world and find peace in its untouched beauty. Goodbye Palawan. From its bustling capital to its Kira's most remote beach, Palawan is truly a treasure in the Philippines. As we include journey, remember the importance of preserving its beauty for generations to come.